Hello everyone, welcome into our channel. So if you are new into forex trading and you look for some educational stuff to assist you in the journey of trading, you are in the right place. In this series, we've designed specifically for beginners, so we'll be offering you a solid foundation to start your trading journey. So we recover everything that you need to know so that you can get started, from the basics of how the forex trading markets operate to understanding the key concepts like the pips, lots, and leverage. Also, you learn how to choose a reliable broker to set up your trading account and develop a trading plan. So by the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to begin the trading journey of forex trading with a clear understanding of market dynamics and essential strategies. So let's embark on this educational journey together and open the doors to the potential and opportunities for forex trading. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can pause and read this disclaimer. So, we'll be doing our first season for beginners with about 30 episodes. So, we felt like it's very important that we first give you an outline on what will be contained into all our episodes. So we will just browse you through, giving you the reasons for why you should be looking for a certain episode. If you want to learn something, you'll be going straight to that episode and you listen, get what you need. So this whole season, it's just season one for beginners. We have 30 episodes. In episode 1, we'll be giving you the introduction to forex trading, where we'll be giving the explanation of forex markets, overview of how currency trading works, the benefits and risk of forex trading. Second episode, we'll be giving you how to choose a forex broker, the factors to consider, the comparison of popular brokers, the importance of a demo account. Episode 3, we'll be giving you the tactics on setting up a forex trading account, the step-by-step guide to open an account, the required documentation, verifying and funding your trading account. Episode number 4, we'll be talking about the forex terminology, the common terms like the pip, lots, leverage, spreads, the glossary of essential forex terms, the usage of terms in trading. Episode number 5, we'll be talking about the currency pairs, explaining them from the major, the minor, and the exotic pairs, how currency pairs are quoted, the factors affecting the currency pairs. Episode number 6, we'll be reading the forex codes, understanding the bid and the asking prices, understanding on how to interpret the forex codes, the concept of a spread. So episode number 7, we'll be giving you in detail the role of a leverage in forex trading, the definition and benefits of leverage, the risks associated with high leverage. So we'll then explain on how to use the leverage wisely. Episode number 8, we'll be talking about how to use a trading platform, overview of popular trading platforms like the MetaTrader 4 or 5, setting up and customizing your platform, and placing and managing your trades. Episode number 9, we will be introducing the price charts, the technical analysis basics, the trend lines, support, resistance levels, basic indicators, the moving average, RSI, and MACD. Episode number 10, we will be talking more on fundamental analysis basics, where we will be checking the economic indicators, the GDP, employment rates, interest rates, the impact of news and events on currency markets. and we'll also explain how to interpret the economic data. So episode 11, we will be teaching you on how to create a trading plan, and also we will be focusing on the importance of a structured trading plan, the components of a trading plan, which are goals, the risk tolerance, and strategies, how to stick to your plan. Episode 12, we'll be talking about the risk management strategies. Episode 13, understanding the Forex signals, like when you want to be a signal provider, and when you want to buy signals from someone, you need to know how some of the signals are manual and some automated, so you must be able to evaluate the reliability of those signals. Episode 14, the developing a trading strategy. So we will be guiding you through the steps to build a trading strategy and testing and refining your trading strategy. So the importance of flexibility and adaptation. So in this episode, it is very important. You need to know how to develop your own trading strategy. You shouldn't be listening to every trader in the world trying to be an expert in trading. No. So we'll be taking you through our episode 15. We'll be introducing you to chart patterns, where we'll be exploring the common chart patterns, the head and shoulders, the bottom or tops, how to identify and use chart patterns, because of patterns in predicting the price movement. Episode 16, we will be then exploring, taking you through on how to use moving averages. So there is simple, exponential types of moving averages, and how moving averages have identified trends. So the strategies of using these moving averages. So episode 17, we'll be talking more or detailed on support and resistance levels, defining we'll be giving a definition and the importance of support and resistance, and how to identify these levels on chart patterns using the support and resistance in trading. Episode 18, it will be talking about introducing two candlestick chart patterns. So here we will be giving you the basics of candlestick charts, the common candlestick patterns like the doji, engulfing, the hammer, dragonfly, a lot, Polish pin bar, the soldiers. So how to interpret these candlestick patterns. So episode 19, we'll be giving you more on the psychology of trading, where we'll be exploring the importance of emotional control in trading, the common psychological challenges, which is fear, the greed, and overtrading. We will then conclude this episode by giving you tips for maintaining discipline and focus. Then episode 20, we'll be giving you more understanding on pips and lots. So defining the pips and lots, and how to calculate the pip value, and the role of pips and lots in position sizing. So episode 21, we'll be backtesting a trading strategy. We'll be defining what backtesting is and why it's so important. So how to backtest using historical data, the tools and software for backtesting. Episode 22, we will be teaching you about the trading channels, the importance of keeping a trading channel, what to include in your channel, analyzing the channel for continuous improvement. Episode 23, we'll be introducing Forex indicators. So you must know the indicators, regardless that you won't be using them frequently, but you must know how these indicators work and what are they. So we'll move to our episode 24, the scalping strategies. We'll be defining what is scalping and the characteristics of scalping, the basic scalping strategies and techniques, the risk and the reward of scalping. So we'll be exploring more deeper in scalping. Episode 25, the day trading basics, where we'll be giving you the essentials of day trading, the time frame strategies, tips for successful day trading, common mistakes one should avoid. Then episode 26, we'll be teaching you more on swing trading strategies, that what is swing trading and its disadvantages and advantages. So the basic strategies for swing trading, and we also give you and how to identify and ride market swings. Episode 27, we will teach you how to read economic day calendar, what is economic calendar and how to use it, the key economic events to watch for, impact of economic events in forex trading. So episode 28, we'll be understanding more on the swap rates, what swap rates are and why they matter so much to us, how swap rates affect our trades, the strategies for managing swap rates. Episode number 29 will be teaching you on trading in different market conditions, adapting strategies for trending versus ranging markets. So identifying market conditions, tools and indicators for different conditions. Episode 30, which is our last episode in season 1, we will be teaching you more on the common trading mistakes one should avoid at all costs, an overview of frequent trading mistakes, how to recognize and avoid these mistakes, then learning from mistakes to improve the trading. So if you take these episodes, you'll be fit enough to join to see that you have the basics of forex trading. So this brings us to our to the end of our presentations. So these topics provided the comprehensive foundation for beginners in forex trading. They'll be helping the beginners to build the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the forex market successfully. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome into our channel. Please subscribe, click the notification bell and also like this video so that many people they can see this video and benefit like you'll be benefiting. So please click the notification bell down there so that when we first post our episode number 1, you'll be the first person to know and dive into the episodes. So I'll be posting the episodes randomly. At least I will try to push such that the beginners episode and also the intermediate and advanced episodes will be in the system. So stay tuned.